Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technology Savvy. Today we will see how to install Docker on Ubuntu manually. Like we will download that package and then we will install. Actually this method can help if your system is not having internet or maybe offline due to some security issues. You can download it on another system also and then you can transfer it to your system where there is no internet. So I'll show you how to do this if you don't have access to internet and you can't reach to apt repository. You just need to make sure that you don't have any old version of Docker installed because it may conflict with the new packages or the new version. So just remove it with the sudo apt-get remove command. So there is no package installed on my system. No old package of Docker is installed in my system. Let's download the packages for Ubuntu distro. I am using 18.04 right now. So I'll use curl command to download all the three packages. As I told you, you can transfer it manually also if you don't have access to internet on your system. So you can download it on alternate PC or alternate system and you can transfer it manually to the system where you want to install Docker package. I don't have that issue actually. I have internet, so I'll download it directly using the curl command. I always make all these commands ready for you so that it can reduce the time of video. You don't get bored of these things, just to avoid your boredom. So let's copy paste quickly. First we will download containerd package, or maybe docker c we can download. That's not a problem. Download, we can prioritize any package. We can download any package first. That's not a problem. During installation we need to follow some sequence that is required, otherwise you can have dependency issues, package dependency issues. So all the three packages are downloaded. Let's install them now one by one in the sequence. So first we will install containerd package and then docker c CLI and then docker ce. If you won't follow the sequence, you will face the dependency package issues. Let's do installation of these packages. So we use gpackage command to install packages manually. So as you can see, I have selected containerd package first to install and it's done. Let's go for the second package, that is docker ce CLI. Taking some time to install it. Let's wait. Done. Let's move for the third package. It's also done. So we are done with the docker package installation. Now we will just test whether it's working fine or not with the hello world image. We will run this get started hello world image to confirm. So it's already done. Now let's validate our Docker installation, whether it's correct or not. Thanks for watching.